Hello world, Brian here, sharing some thoughts from the road, same job, different uniform, load, locate, deliver, record, repeat. Hopefully we learn something together, or at least kill some time. Ivydale, I always want to know who Ivy was, whether that's a family name worn down soft over 100 years, or whether somebody just liked the sound of it when they filed the paperwork. Coming through here on the Elk River side, you're technically in Kanawha County, but you're not really in Charleston's orbit anymore. The ridgelines see to that. I ran routes all through this general region for years, and somehow Ivydale always stayed just outside the edge of the manifest, close enough that I knew the name, far enough that I never had a reason to stop. That's part of why I film these now. The places that were always just outside the line deserve footage too. Thank you for riding with me. We are in this together. Keep going.